lunch or for breakfast. So there we have it. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. As you can see there, I'm going to be making this best egg dish for brunch. You can make it anytime. It's actually very filling. Yep. For the turkey burger, you can use any kind of meat you want. You can use chicken burger, beef burger, but I'm using a turkey burger here. I love it. It's great. So just being creative, I put it right in the middle of the pan, as you can see. And now I'm going to turn it. Why? You don't want it to overcook it, because after this, I'm going to be broiling the egg dish in the oven. Broiling doesn't take that long because you want it nice and soft, not overcooked. Next, you're going to just mix everything up. Those are the 4 eggs. I'm putting a little of cream. Then I'm going to put all the mixed greens, the cheese, the tomatoes. For I'm using the petite tomatoes. Added some black pepper and a bit of salt. And now I am putting some of the greens around. As you can see, I'm not using all the greens, as I'm putting some in the egg. As you can see, love that. I love this dish. I make it. You can make it in the morning. Great for brunch. Great when you want to impress your guests. Oh yes, look at that. By the way, you can eat it with meat. You can eat it by itself. Not meat. You can eat it with bread. Yes. You can cover up that turkey burger just to make sure it looks even. Anything you want. After you do all this, just a bit, you'll put a little bit of cheese on top, so that it can cook just a bit on top, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven to broil. Put a little bit of cheese on top. Yeah, you're going to put it in the oven for basically about 3 minutes. In the oven to broil. I have it on broil at low, and I am taking this whole thing and putting it in the oven. Good stuff, good stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna take it out. Ooh, yeah, I first started with high broil for just like a minute, and then I turned it to low broil. You just want to keep checking it to make sure it does not burn. You can have this anytime. Okay, so there we have it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe button, press that like, share. Yummy. You want your friends to impress their guests, right? Yeah. Good stuff, good food, good company. Enjoy.